The Arbaeen Walk is known as the largest peaceful assembly of people in the world and in human history, with numbers expected to increase significantly each coming year. The day of Arbaeen marks 40 days after the day of Ashura, a day where millions of people pay tribute to the selfless sacrifices of Hussain.
I came across this exhibition and I found it really interesting and wish the media would portray more peaceful gatherings such as this event.
Many make the journey by foot, along the 80-kilometer stretch from the city of Najaf to Karbalaand, and see each step as a means of closer spiritual proximity to their beloved inspiration, Hussain.
The fact that you don't have to go with a bunch of supplies, that people will just provide for you and feed you, so I think that's really cool.
Volunteers distribute free food and drinks to those undertaking the pilgrimage, as well as offering places to relax, wash, and even sleep.
I think this is a great exhibit, and I think that it brings a lot of awareness to people who don't know this event is going on or other events that are more positive and bringing people together from different nationalities and from different parts of the world. Unfortunately, I think the media isn't showing this because they think the negative things or bad things happening in the world.
Many students and universities across the United States and Canada hold a photography exhibition to show how tens of millions of people organize and participate in the largest peaceful assembly in human history, as a way to stand for social justice, honor, and peace. These photographs not only include Muslims, but also feature individuals from various cultural and religious backgrounds, including those with dire health conditions as well.
It's really interesting because I had never heard of the Arbaeen walk. Unites so many people of different backgrounds, of different faiths, of different cultures to come together to walk for peace, which is ultimately something that we all want and something that we can all get behind. And I really think there needs to be more events like this in the world that unite us around that cause.